Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out Bitcoin on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have Bitcoin on Cash App, and because Bitcoin is rising right now, how do you actually go ahead and cash it out? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first what we're going to do is we're going to hop onto our Cash App app, and then here you want to access your Bitcoin wallet. So you can do that by clicking on the bottom left hand corner and then clicking on your Bitcoin wallet, which is underneath Save and Invest. And then this is the option where you're going to be able to buy or sell Bitcoin or trade it for another cryptocurrency. So if I click on sell, you'll see that there's a few prompts that I have to go through. And then here you're just going to get a confirmation of how much Bitcoin do you want to sell. So you'll see that the destination is Cash App, the exchange rate, the symbol, and the total amount, as well as any fees that are included with you cashing out your Bitcoin. Afterwards, you would just click on confirm. Now, once you sell your Bitcoin, you are basically going to get the dollar amount equivalent on Cash App. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cash out Bitcoin on Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.